Hi everyone, this is Lucy. Today I'm stuffing chicken breast with cream cheese and spinach. For this recipe I'm preparing 1 boneless and skinless chicken breast per portion or per serving. I clean and cut off the excess meat from the chicken breast. And this meat I'm going to be using to make a rice. I sprinkle a little salt and black ground pepper. To 8 ounces of cream cheese, I'm going to add 1 diced small onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, and 1 cup chopped baby spinach. I'm blending everything together in my food processor. You can leave the mixture as it is, or you can blend it just like I did. It is up to you the thickness of the stuffing you want to put inside your chicken breast. I am spraying the baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. I'm getting ready the mayonnaise I'm going to be using to use as a glue for the chicken, between the chicken and the breadcrumbs. Then I'm using an entire package of shake and bake. This shake and bake come in different flavors, so you choose whichever flavor you like. I'm preparing the bag with the stuffing for the chicken. I'm using a plastic bag, but you can use a decorator's bag. With a long sharp knife, I'm going to be making a cavity into each chicken breast, right in the center of the chicken breast. Or you can open the chicken breast as a butterfly, as is usually done. In the outside of the chicken, I spread the mayonnaise, and then I cover the chicken breast with the shake and bake mixture and place it in the baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, or until it's completely crispy outside and well done in the inside, or 165 degrees Fahrenheit of the inside temperature. I serve this chicken with just a simple rice and salad on the side. I hope you like it and that you try it soon. Please come back to see me again. If you have not done so, please subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. Buen provecho. Bye bye.